Hello, beautiful people. It's Miss Gadelha. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today, we are going to learn about wet and dry. So, people, pay attention here. I have here a sock. Everybody say, it's a sock. It's a sock. That's it. So, I have here a black sock. And I also have here a pot with water. Can you say pot with water? Pot with water. So now, I am going to put my sock in the water. What is going to happen? So, I'm going to put my sock in the water. What is going to happen? So pay attention. And now, what happened? What happened with my sock? My sock is wet. Everybody say wet. Wet. It has water, okay? It's like very wet. Very good. So I have this sock here that is wet. Now, I have another sock here. But I am not going to put this sock in the water. No. I'm not going to put the sock in the water. So, this sock here is dry. Dry. Can you say dry? Dry. So, this sock here is wet. This sock here is dry. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. So, you can try this experiment in your classroom or in your home. Alright? So now pay attention. I've been thinking, which weather is better to dry my wet socks? Qual clima é o melhor para eu poder secar a minha meia? Is it better for it dry? It dries the sunny weather or the rainy weather? Can you answer me? I'm going to give you some time, okay? Yay! Very good. So, it's better when it's sunny because the heat of the sun can dry my sock. Ok? Então, quando está... Now that you know the difference between wet and dry, we are going to do a book activity, okay? So, get for me your book on page 65. Get your book and open it on page 65. Very nice. So people, here, what do you see? What do you see here? What do you see? Well, I see socks, many socks, many socks. I see a boy, I see a girl, and I see a bucket of water, very nice. So here, the boy is holding the dry socks, and the girl is holding the wet socks, okay, with water, okay? So now, can you say the socks are dry? Can you say the socks are dry? And here we have wet socks. So the socks are wet. The socks are wet. Good job. So in this part here, in the bottom of the page, we have our activity. So let's read with Miss Gadelha. Let's read. The shoes are wet. Circle. The shoes are wet. circle. So, we have to circle the wet shoes. We have to circle the wet shoes. So, which shoes are wet? This one here or this one here? Which shoes are wet? This one here or this one? I don't know. I'm not going to give you the answer, okay? So people, that's our activity for today. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you have learned a lot. Bye bye and see you later, alligators.